Looking for the best induction cooktop but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best induction cooktops you can get right now. I'll break down power, temperature control, ease of use, and overall value so you can choose the right one for your cooking style and budget. We have included links in the description. Number 1. NuWave Double Pro Cooktop Induction Countertop Burner, Portable, 900 divided by 1500 divided by 1800 W with dynamic watt technology, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, 8-inch heating coil, shatterproof ceramic glass, seamless AMD touch panel. If you're looking at the NuWave Double Pro Cooktop, you're stepping into a more feature-rich, home-focused induction setup. In the US market, NuWave is best known for offering precision temperature control and flexibility, especially for home cooks who want more control than a basic hot plate. In real American homes, this type of cooktop is commonly used in apartments, RVs, dorms, or as an extra burner during holidays like Thanksgiving when the kitchen gets crowded. It's also popular with people who want to avoid gas or don't have access to a full stove. Induction cooktops in general are known for being fast, efficient, and safer than traditional electric or gas burners, since they heat the pan directly instead of the surface. The biggest strength here is control and versatility. You're getting adjustable wattage levels and a wide temperature range, from very low heat for simmering to high heat for boiling or searing. That level of control matters in real cooking situations like making sauces, cooking eggs, or keeping food warm without burning it. Another major advantage is the dual burner setup. That's a big deal in US households where you might be cooking multiple dishes at once, like boiling pasta while sautéing vegetables. It basically acts as a portable stovetop replacement. Number 2. Changbird Induction Cooktop, Commercial-Grade Portable Cooker, Large 8-inch Heating Coil, Premium Stainless Steel Countertop Burner with NSF Certified, 10 hours timer Powerful 1800W Professional Hot Plate. If you're looking at the Changbird Induction Cooktop, you're going in a completely different direction. In the US market, this model is best known for being a commercial-grade, heavy-duty portable burner designed for serious cooking use. In real-world US use, this is commonly used in food trucks, catering setups, professional kitchens, or home cooks who want something more durable than standard consumer models. It's built to handle longer cooking sessions and more demanding use. The biggest strength here is build quality and durability. The stainless steel construction and NSF certification mean it's designed to meet commercial standards for safety and reliability. That's something you don't usually get with regular consumer induction cooktops. Another major advantage is consistent high power output. Also, while it's powerful, many induction burners in the US max out at 1800 W due to standard outlets, so you're not getting more raw power than other units, just more stability and durability. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers needing durability, food trucks, catering, heavy use. Home cooks who want a rugged, long-lasting burner. People who prioritize build quality over features. Backhand index pointing right. Who should skip it? Casual home users who want simple cooking. Anyone needing multiple burners at once. Backhand index pointing right. Bottom line. This is a performance-focused, commercial-style cooktop. It's built tough, but less flexible for everyday home cooking. Number 3. Duckstop Portable Induction Cooktop, Countertop Burner Induction Hot Plate with LCD Sensor Touch 1800 watts, Silver 9600 LSBT 200DZ. If you're looking at the Duckstop 9600 LS, you're probably trying to solve a very specific problem. Either you don't have a full kitchen, or you need an extra burner that actually performs like a real stove. In the US market, this cooktop is best known as one of the most reliable, widely used portable induction burners for everyday home cooking. It's not flashy, but it consistently shows up in American apartments, dorms, RVs, and even as a backup burner during big family meals. In real-world US use, this is the kind of cooktop people rely on when their kitchen space is limited. Think small city apartments in places like New York or Chicago, where counter space is tight. It's also extremely common during holidays like Thanksgiving, when the main stove is overloaded and you need an extra burner for sides like gravy, mashed potatoes, or green beans. Some people even use it full-time in studio apartments or as part of a minimalist setup. One of the biggest strengths of the Duckstop 9600 LS is control. You get multiple power and temperature levels, which actually matters more than people think. In real cooking situations like simmering a sauce, cooking eggs, or melting chocolate, you need consistent low heat. This cooktop handles that better than basic hot plates. At the same time, it heats up fast enough to boil water quickly, which is something American buyers really appreciate for weeknight cooking. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Portable Single Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner Hot Plate with Fast Heating Mode, 1800 watts, 10 temperature settings up to 450 F, black, 34104. If you're looking at the Hamilton Beach 34104, you're probably not trying to become a chef, you just want something that works, heats fast, and doesn't complicate your life. In the US market, this cooktop is best known as a simple, beginner-friendly induction burner that focuses on speed and ease of use rather than advanced features. In real American homes, this is the kind of cooktop people use for quick meals, small apartments, dorm rooms, or as a backup burner during busy cooking days. Think boiling pasta after work, heating soup, or cooking eggs in the morning before heading out. It's also very common in college dorm setups where full kitchens aren't available. The biggest strength here is fast heating. This model is designed to heat quickly. Some testing shows it can boil water significantly faster than traditional electric stoves, which makes a noticeable difference in everyday cooking. There's also a boost style function that pushes maximum power temporarily, which is actually useful when preheating pans or getting water to boil quickly. Another advantage is simplicity. You're not dealing with complicated menus or dozens of settings. You get about 10 temperature levels, and that's it. For a lot of US buyers, especially beginners, that's a good thing. It's very much a plug it in and start cooking experience. It's also compatible with a wide range of induction-ready cookware sizes, which makes it flexible for everyday use. Now here's the downside, and this is important. The biggest limitation is lack of precision. With fewer temperature settings and larger increments, it's harder to dial in exact heat levels. That becomes noticeable when you're trying to simmer sauces or cook delicate foods. Number 5. NewWave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop, NSF certified, commercial grade, portable, powerful 1800W, large 8-inch heating coil, 94 temp settings 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit, shatterproof ceramic glass surface. If you're looking at the NewWave Pro Chef, you're in a completely different category. This is not your typical home cooktop. In the US market, this model is best known for being a commercial-grade induction burner with extremely precise temperature control and heavy-duty durability. In real-world US use, this is popular with serious home cooks, meal preppers, food truck operators, and anyone cooking for long periods of time. It's also used in professional environments where consistency matters, like catering setups or small commercial kitchens. The biggest strength here is precision. This cooktop offers a wide temperature range with very small adjustment increments, allowing you to fine-tune heat much more accurately than standard models. That's a big deal for tasks like simmering sauces, slow cooking, or even delicate cooking methods where temperature stability matters. Another major advantage is build quality. This unit is designed to handle extended use without performance drops. Unlike many consumer-grade models, it's built for long cooking sessions and repeated use without overheating or throttling. Those are my picks for the top 5 best induction cooktops. Each one has its strengths, whether you want something portable, more powerful, or packed with features. The right choice really depends on how you cook and what you need day to day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.